Stop scrolling. These 5 game-changing woodworking tools can save you time, effort, and money on your next project. From heavy-duty sawhorses to precision measuring tools. First up, BORA Workhorse Sawhorses, the heavy-duty work support built for serious projects. Each sawhorse supports up to 1,350 pounds, giving you an incredible 2,700-pound capacity per pair. Thanks to the single-release latch and gravity-assisted design, setup is up to 10 times faster than conventional sawhorses. The pre-drilled 2x4 brackets let you connect multiple units and create a sturdy, portable workbench, while the folding steel legs make storage and transport super easy. Heavy-duty nail puncher, designed to make pallet recycling, wood case breakdown, and woodworking projects much easier. It handles 10 to 20 gauge nails and delivers powerful, reliable performance for continuous use. The lightweight die-cast aluminum body keeps it easy to handle, while the comfortable rubber grip helps reduce hand fatigue. Plus, its slim, elongated nose easily reaches into tight spaces where ordinary tools struggle. If you work with pallets or reclaimed wood, this nail puncher could be a game changer for your toolbox. Labor-saving arm jack, a compact powerhouse that makes tough installation jobs faster and easier. Its solid all-steel base provides excellent stability, while the adjustable handle delivers up to 6.69 inches of lifting capacity with a 2-jack load, capacity of up to 450 pounds. Use it for doors, windows, cabinets, flooring, decks, frames, and tile installation with precise lifting and positioning. But that's not all. It also works as a multi-board woodworking clamp for gluing, sanding, and precision projects. Vinyl floor cutter, a fast, quiet, and dust-free way to cut vinyl flooring like a pro. It cuts VCT, LVT, PVC, and vinyl plank flooring up to 13 inches wide and 6 millimeters thick, with adjustable blade height for easier operation. Makes straight, L-shaped, U-shaped, 360-degree angle, and lengthwise cuts without electricity or noisy power tools. Its sturdy steel and aluminum construction, angle gauge, and compact, lightweight design make it easy to carry around the job site. Purpose Carpenter Square, the compact woodworking tool designed to replace multiple tools in your toolbox. Measure, mark, trace, check angles, and make precise layouts with one versatile square. It combines a square, protractors, marking gauges, rulers, drill gauge, and wrench, giving you everything you need for faster, smarter woodworking. Made from durable 4 millimeters thick aluminum with laser-engraved markings and precise 1/16 inch graduations, it's built for accuracy and long-term use. Plus, the included 2-in-1 Carpenter pencil makes marking even easier.